Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money moves to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from NetSpend savings to checking in 2025. With the latest updates to the NetSpend app, this process is quicker and more secure than ever. Whether you're building your emergency fund or just need to cover everyday expenses, knowing how to move your money seamlessly is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the NetSpend app installed on your smartphone or access to the website. It's 2025, so everything's designed for speed and security. Think biometric logins and instant notifications. Start by opening the app and logging in with your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to verify your identity, but that's a one-time step. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you'll see your savings and checking accounts listed. Tap on your savings account to select it as the source. Next, choose Transfer from the menu. This is usually front and center for easy access. Now, select your checking account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Before you hit Confirm, take a quick look at any fees or limits. In 2025, NetSpend has made transfers free for most users, but always verify based on your account type. Once you're good, confirm the transfer with your PIN or fingerprint for added security. You'll get an instant confirmation, and the money should appear in your checking account almost immediately, typically within minutes. A few pro tips. Always monitor your accounts after a transfer to ensure everything's accurate, and if you're transferring larger amounts, consider doing it during business hours. Remember, staying on top of your finances is key to financial freedom. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from NetSpend savings to checking in 2025. It's straightforward, safe, and saves you time. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.